Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Scylla Stuffin' Things. So today, you can tell we are not in my kitchen. We are traveling cross country. We're actually in California and we are going to attempt, but we have yellow jackets. We're going to attempt to cook dinner on our grill tonight. So come along, let's cook some kielbasa and Brussels sprouts. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, every time I bring this food out, we get swarmed with bees. And I'm not a fan. And we're like 50 feet up in the air. Cameraman, get the door for me. I have prepped everything so I didn't have to do any prepping out here. So we're ready to go. I'm just going to throw down some olive oil. And I gotta tell you, we're not level. This has been so fun getting to cook outdoors. But like, look at this. Okay, this is gonna be interesting tonight. So we're doing a super quick and easy meal. We are actually taking Brussels sprouts. I cut them. I added some artichoke, shallots, and I had used a mushroom soaked in olive oil and Italian dressing. Well, the mushrooms were gone, so I added that seasoning and oil to this. So we're just gonna put these on our grill. I'm super excited about this. Oh, that sizzle. So the goal is to let them get crispy on the outside. Then we'll put our lid on and let the insides cook. So we'll just let them sit there, get happy. We're gonna also take some butter and put our kielbasa. As you can see, I just cut it up. And this is a beef kielbasa. So this is gonna be dinner tonight. It's super easy, quick, that's what we like. When we're on traveling days, they have to be quicker than normal days. Because everybody gets here and they're hungry. So it's like 7:30, so they're ready to eat dinner. Oh yeah, smells good. So we have gotten so many questions, and this is a 22-inch Blackstone griddle. We have a bigger one at home, it's a 36-inch. There are so many different options. They even have one with an air fryer. And you can get them right at Walmart, Target, doesn't matter. And they come with you can get all of the different utensils to go with them. They have pancake things to like pour pancakes, and it's been amazing. We've loved it. We've used it almost every meal we've cooked. Again, on our Brussels sprouts, we have Italian seasoning, garlic. I added a little bit of pepper, and then I took these olive oil and seasonings from mushrooms that were soaking in there and poured that on it. But you can pretty much use anything you want. So comment down below. Let me know, like, how do you cook your Brussels sprouts? It's the in thing right now. So after you have cooked everything, I personally did it separate, and then I'm going to mix it together. If you have picky eaters, you might want to do it separate and keep it separate. But look at this sausage, is perfect. That looks so good. So you just put it in your pan or your bowl. And then add the Brussels sprouts, mix it up, and you're good to go. I mean, quick and simple dinner. You can cook well while on the road. There is nothing saying you cannot do that. We've had some great meals on this griddle. Mix it up, and look how pretty that dish is. And voila, we have cooking in the wild. Thank you so much for joining us today. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment down below. Let me know, what would you like to see us cook on our adventures across the United States. We'll see you next time. Bye guys. I forgot to tell you guys about my bee story. Fortunately, they didn't hang around. They didn't want to be on camera. But a few years ago, we went to the Springs in Florida, and we were hanging our clothesline up, and all these bees came out of the ground. They were ground bees, and ever since then I've been so afraid of bees. And as soon as we got here, I was like, oh my gosh, we have bees again. So a little freaked out, but they left, thank goodness, because, you know, I was not ready to cook out there with all those bees. I was going to make Asa do tonight's dinner. Can we get a review from you taste testers?
Hey, is it good?
Do you like it? Thumbs up? Okay. What do you think? Good?
Very.
Good.